In this video, I wanted to share with you some cool tips for finding templates for Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. So first off, I'm in my Google Drive, and if I wanted to create something new, I could go and I can create my new docs, sheets, or slides. You do not have to go into your drive every time. There are a couple of shortcuts that you can use to look at all of your, say, documents or all of your sheets all at once rather than seeing everything mixed in with each other in the drive. For many of the Google apps, if you are in a new tab and you start typing docs.google.com, what that does is it opens up all of your Google Docs that are saved in your drive. Now, one thing that's really nice about it is that up at the top, it gives you a few template options. So I know I want to make a brochure. I can use this brochure template. If I want to make a resume, I can use that too. You click on More. It's going to show you a few other templates that they have for different types of Google documents that you might want to make. So there's a few for education. This is usually added to fairly frequently as more things come in and people submit templates to Google. Now that was how you do it with Google Docs, and it works for the other file types too. When you type in sheets.google.com, that will take you to all of the sheets that are in your drive. And this allows you to only see sheets and nothing else. But even more importantly, as you'll notice at the top, you have some template options. Calendar or a budget, those are quite handy for people who use those things a lot. You select More. It will open up a few other different categories and give you some other options for templates to work with in your sheets. You can also do this for slides by typing in slides.google.com. And again, those templates are populated at the top, and again, selecting More gives you a few other options for things that you might want to copy if you know that you're going to be making a wedding announcement or a recipe book. Here's a couple of options there. And the last one, I'm going to do this in a new tab, is Forms. You type forms.google.com. That will show you all of your forms as well as a few templates for forms. This one is particularly handy because you don't have to make all of your own individual questions. You can just edit the ones that are already there. You can see that they have a lot of different categories in each one. So what happens when you use a template? I'm going to show you an example of a slide presentation. I like this book report one. I'm going to select that. What it does is it automatically makes a new file in my drive for a slide presentation that has that template done for you. And however many slides are in the template are what shows up. And if you click through, you can see everything's all set up and ready to go with that particular theme. So that's a great way that you can use templates in your different file types. Now you can also get to some of these another way, so I wanted to show you that. I'll just do it in slides because that's what I'm in right now. You go into File and then New. You can do new any file type, but you can also select from template here. I do want to make a note though that if you want to make a new thing from a template, you need to be in the same file type if you use this method rather than typing in the file type.google.com. So here, since I was in slides, it only shows me the slides templates. So using templates is very handy for a lot of different reasons. It's a time saver first and foremost. Hopefully this gives you a few more ideas for places to go to get some good ideas for using more of the Google files.